Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to come on here and show you guys my design team package I got from craftuponastar. So she's actually a new Instagram seller, and I'll leave a link down below, so make sure you guys give her a follow and go support her. This kit is actually $55 ship, which I think that's a very affordable price. I thought that was super amazing for the price and the goodies that you get in here. So let's get started. And you guys hear like this loud noise in the back, it's the AC running. But yeah, I thought these are so cute, guys. Look at these cute little airplanes, and you get a ton in this package. And I love like that light baby blue color with the pink. So cute. And then you get these like iridescent flowers. These are so pretty. Remind me of Hawaii. But you get a ton in this package. We use the packaging. Check these out, guys. These are like cherries, but they're like pink, like a very soft pink. I haven't seen anything like this. And you get a ton in this package also. These are so cute. Ooh, guys, check out these beautiful bows. Ooh, I love this charm. This is beautiful right here. These are so cute. I don't think I have this in my stash at all. Can't wait to play with that. Check out these acrylic hearts. So it comes 5 in a pack. I already took one out just to show you guys how it looks like. That could focus, but isn't that pretty? So cute. And I love this like clear packaging. Check out these beautiful like bows. Ooh, these would be cute to make some like paper clips or something. And check these out. These are like what are these called? They're like 3D-ish looking charms. Look at these heart charms. These are so cute. And I took some out of the bag so I could show you guys real quick. But aren't they cute? And it pops up. They're like 3D heart charms. I thought that was so cute. Like one of my favorite charms ever. I use it in almost all my projects. So you get pink and white in here, guys. Oh my god. I adore these ones so much. I love them. These are like one of my favorite go-to charms ever. And then you get some, ooh, what are these? Oh, these are so cute. Look at these cute little mini bears. How adorable is that? And they're so tiny. And then look at these. Ooh, these feel like, what's that material? What is it called? Rubber. So they're like rubber cupcakes. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like that. Look at this. This is beautiful. Check out these bows, guys. And I love this packaging. So beautiful. And check out these cute charms. These are so cute. And you get so much in here. And I love her packaging. Flowers right here. Let me take it out. These have like a pearl look to it. So pretty. I don't think I have this in my stash at all. How cute. Well, can't wait to play with that. And then here are some cute pink bows. And then look at these chains. Ooh, let's look at these. Oh, I love these. These get a bunch of different colors. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. For some reason, this is just screaming carousel to me. Yes. Ooh, check these out. Guys, look at how much you get in this pack. This is amazing. Look at this beautiful butterfly though, guys. Look how detailed and dainty that is. Oh my god. I don't think I've seen anything like this or anybody posting these up. And you get so much in here. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my god, this kit is amazing. And look, here's some bigger bows that you could totally make like paper clips, or you could just put in your packaging. Oh, these are beautiful. I haven't seen these. They look like what are those? Tulips. That's so pretty. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. It's the mask cabochon. Oh my god, this is like the cutest little thing ever. And I love all the colors in here. So pretty. Wow, you get so much in here. Ooh, look at these cactus. And it has a pink bow. These are so cute. Look at the cute little face with the pink bow. And you get so much in a pack. Like, what? Oh, and check out these beautiful flowers. I don't think I've seen anything like this. These are beautiful. You get so much in here. Wow. Ooh, look at these ones. Check out these little donuts. They're like kitty donuts. These are so cute. And you get so much in a pack. That's so adorable. Guys, check out these macaroons. These are so cute. So, guys, these open up. How cute. You could put like secret mix or cute little charm to send us some happy mail. These are so cute. Oh, I love that. And then look at this butterfly container. How cute. This would be really nice to alter. Yes. Oh, I love this right here. And last but not least, guys, the tool. I'm so excited for this tool. Guys, look at this beautiful tool. And you get a whole roll in this kit. And I believe she has different colors too. But I picked the white and gold one. And this tool is beautiful. Pucci actually holds one, the one with the pink, and that one is stunning also. Oh my god, I need that one in my life. This one is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Check out all these goodies that came in this one kit only alone. Like, so much goodies to play with, and it's only $55 shipped, which I think that's a very, very amazing affordable price. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.